In this video, I'll show you how to add a soundboard to Discord mobile. Firstly, use any browser on your mobile device, but preferably if you face any problem with other browsers, use Brave browser for mobile. And navigate to the Discord login page. If you don't see a login option, switch your browser to desktop mode. Log in to your Discord account once it is loaded. Open Discord and then return to mobile mode. Click on the server you want to add the soundboard to, and then access the server settings by clicking on the server name at the top. In the server settings, look for the soundboard option and click on it. Scroll down and click Upload Sound. Browse your files and select the sound you want to upload and enter a name for the sound or emoji and then tap the upload button again. Your soundboard is now updated with the new sound. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.